Predictions for 2026. When it comes to federal and state government contracting, 1, the DOGE effect will continue, regardless of whoever is president as time goes on. Once you started saving money, it's hard to go back. It's like eggs. When you're accustomed to only spending a couple of dollars for a carton of eggs, and then all of a sudden the price jumps to potentially $10, $15, $20, it's shocking. Nobody is like, yeah, I want to pay $20 for a carton of eggs. Nobody. So the same holds true. Agencies and state and local are still going to have this mindset of saving money and being very aware and conducting some type of audit or waste review or waste report around their spending. Because no matter your political views, nobody watching is like, yes, let's waste some money. Let me just take all this money and light it on fire. I just don't think that's what you're here for. Next, second thing, be aware of what you are selling. The different products and services that the federal government is going to want to purchase is going to continue to be laser focused on the needs of the presidency, the needs and alignment of not only the mission, vision, values of the said agency, but also with what's going on with the executive orders. So for instance, there is now an executive order making English for the first time ever the official language of the United States. So in turn, you may not see a ton of opportunities for translation services. It doesn't mean that we're not going to need translation services. It's just that you may see a decrease in those. So you have to ask yourself, in this space, what are you willing to do? Do you want to be an expert and only sell what you know? Or are you looking to be an entrepreneur and sell what the market wants? Next, some believe that forming a mentor-protege, whether it's through Apex, it's directly through the SBA, it's through a particular agency, is going to magically lead to a ton of contracts. That is not the case at all. I foresee the emphasis and the funding on these types of programs are going to decrease. The tension when it comes to the SBA is going to be on helping farmers, helping small business owners, making sure employees are back in the office to help any and all small business owners. And keep in mind, in the greatest country ever, the United States, a small business owner does not mean a one-person company. Some small businesses, as designated by the guidelines out there from the SBA, could be making $20 million a year in revenue. So with this said, be prepared to offer what makes the most sense to them. Be prepared that while a mentor-protege may seem like the magic answer, it is not. A company will only want to serve as your mentor if there's a benefit to them. Otherwise, why would they mentor you? Several years ago, right around 2016, 2017, I reached out to a company and I said, hi, my name is Dr. Kizzy Parks. We have an 8A, and in case your 8A is expiring soon, we would love to chat with you to see if we could serve as your mentee. Keep in mind, I had met with this particular business owner years before when I was just starting out. She immediately wrote back because she needed an 8A. She needed an 8A because she didn't want to lose her existing contracts, and she was in the middle of selling her company. But as a backup, she went ahead and we formed an official mentor-protege relationship through the SBA because we had past performance, we had an 8A, and we were actually both located in the same state. You don't have to be located in the same state, but it worked really well and we got to know each other well, and the relationship was fruitful for both sides. Keep in mind, the emphasis on this is going to decrease. The emphasis on private sector companies encouraging diverse vendors, please register with us. Attend our events, register, attend, please come to us. No, you're not going to see much of that. Plus, those of you who went to those type of events, please type below. Did you win anything? Did it lead to anything? Maybe it did. Let me know. Type below if it did. But you're not going to see much around that. You will see different opportunities to build your business as a small business owner. I have seen some nonprofits, some different companies, different organizations put out there, please apply for our 12-week program, our 3-month program, our program to help with venture capital. I've definitely seen that. Otherwise, what we knew in the past is no longer as we continue going forward. Next, discontinue leading with your set aside. This is not the time to lead with, I'm a veteran owned, I'm a hub zone, I'm a woman owned, I'm a black owned. You don't need to do any of that. Lead with what you can do, that your pricing is Doge approved or Doge effective, Doge efficient, Be the first one out there to be like, I have Doge approved pricing. And they're going to say, what does that mean? It opens you up to a beautiful conversation. Emphasize how you are their solution. You are their easy button. The days of leading with your set aside, how you appear to people, pretty much done. Pretty much done for now. Also, feel free to remove any of it from your website. Just emphasize, here's what we've done, the situation. Here's the action we took. Here is the result that occurred as a result of the situation and the action. That's what we love. That's why we love stories. We want to know what happened. That's what they want, not these other things. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't get a set aside because they're super helpful. It's just that 2026 and beyond, the importance is going to go down. Next, when it comes to funding, I believe you're going to see kind of the floodgates open on more of the hard money side. I foresee different policies, procedures, regulations kind of softening so that more and more organizations can offer funding, especially to small business owners, as well as perhaps the SBA may come out with a new program. Maybe there'll be programs out there for you to leverage, wait for it, your cryptocurrency for your business. These are all things that are out there. Be prepared. Now is the time to embrace being flexible. Now is the time to be Netflix, not Blockbuster. If you're not into Netflix, Disney Plus, okay? BET Plus, whatever you're into. This is not time to be Blockbuster. Please, winnerswaybook.com. I love and adore you all. I truly do. Please comment below what you love most about this video. winnerswaybook.com, winnerswaybook.com. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Thank you so much. And remember, as always, everything is possible. Until next time, take care.